Hey, what's up, Vybz family? Welcome back to the channel. All loyal viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. If you're new to the channel, please do remember to subscribe to the channel. Feel me, subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and make we kick off the show. Well, this week, people, we have a interesting video for us seeing, and I hope you find it interesting as I do. You feel me, people? So like I said, please leave a comment in the comment section based off of everything you see, and do give this video a thumbs up so YouTube can put this video out to more people like yourself, and make we get into the video. We kick this video off to a message to all the youth them who don't respect their mother or have no love for their mother. Cause you have to remember, so some people now no mother, you know. You see me? And some are now disrespect on the mother. So make we take a listen to what this lady have to say about the youth them where disrespect them mother and not love them mother.
If you want me agree, don't talk ill about your mother, cause me not have none. I don't have a mother. You understand? I'm a protect mothers. I don't have a mother. I wish I couldn't take phone of mother. Just we say, yeah, me I got my mother house. I wish I couldn't take phone of mother. And I did I talk about no mother and I do this boy, your mother do this to you. You know, when you was 10 years old, your mother beat you badly. When you was 7, you remember your mother do this to you. And when you were 10, shut the fuck up. The whole of we get beaten. The whole of we get an ass whipping. Shut up. Boy, your mother do this. Shut up, she do it to you now. You're a big, grown, great old man. I saw you get beaten. You do sit there, you get beaten. Sometimes we angry as mother and we don't know, so we are lick it too hot. You get beaten. So on shut the crap and stop telling people to not like on the mother. And on the mother do this and on the mother do that. Now wicked boy. I mean, I talk about no woman that get along with their mother, you know. That's different. When a woman don't get along with their mother, there are 2 girls them that. Not girl, I not use the word girl. But you understand, a 2 woman. But a man, they always respect the mother we carry them in them belly.
Now that you have heard what she say, do you agree with her? Do you think she have a valid point? Because we know enough of them beauty and really love their mother, you know, or disrespect their mother when them get older. But it's not up to me, my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment in the comment section below so I could understand where you're coming from. Next up, we have Sizzla, the Judgment Yard boss, you know, Dada, who say from day one he will never apologize no matter what them say or do. Now people, make we take a listen to what Sizzla have to say right about now.
Ready my lord. We're on the next one to the finish. When you come to that friend. Ready? Yes. When I enter them there. When you enter them there. Hey. I'm here like a song here. I'm singing when you want me bumper and start go. After you're the bottom man, I'm singing here. Where's someone down the water?
Hey, well, there you have it, my people. Now hear from Sizzla himself, you know. Him not apologize in a no way, shape or form. Him not change for nobody. At the Judgment Yard boss, that Dada. And speaking of Sizzla, people, you don't know, say Sizzla and them foundation is doing big things in Jamaica and going to try make it expand around the world. You feel me, people? So I want to take a look and listen at what's going on right here.
Stir my soul, you know me part of righteousness for his name's sake. Hey, no, I walk to the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil, For thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff comfort thee. Thou preparest the table before thee in the presence of thine enemies. Thou anointest thy head with oil, thy cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow thee, and I will give praise unto the Most High Jah Rastafari. Once again, I want to say a pleasant day to you all, and this is a very beautiful, I would say, get together, you know what I'm saying? First, let me pay respect to our sponsors, volunteers, you know what I mean, community organizers. Thank you very much for putting that time to make it a success. This is Akoma Village Judgment Yard Head Fair, and it's a wonderful day, it's a wonderful fair where the community can get together and focus more on their health and well-being, you know what I'm saying? Where you can have more precise decision over your health and well-being. You got the practitioners here, you got great nurses, doctors, and all those persons, so you can just browse around and don't be a stranger. Once again, I want to say thank you very much. I'm so thrilled to have you here and to welcome you all, answering each and every one Renta Center for being a part of the sponsors. To Mr. Musicians there, Mr. Magashin, maximum respect. And to members of the Ethiopian Orthodox Church, I want to say a present welcome. Now you're being the Reid.
Yes, people, I want to say big up to Sizzla and the Judgment Yard Foundation and everything that them are doing. And I try to expand certain things in Jamaica for the betterment of the people. That's a very good look, Dada. Big up yourself. Feel me? Every time. Next up, we have a woman here, I not lie. She beat the woman them who are dressed in them impy skimpy things, tighter clothes, and the man them who deal with them woman there and I make them wear all them type of thing there. Yo, I not lie, she burn a fire upon them. Make we take a listen, my viewers and subscribers.
Can't get over or on females dress the way on do when on have a man. When have a man, una put on the most nakedest and a man on a blood clot look. A man on a look on don't have a man already. What the blood clot on there with see-through clothes and all them thing they go out. I go out and boy, yeah, go girls night out and I dress like that like a man, yeah, look, you know, have your man already. Sometimes when a man if you stand up for yourself, you know, bro. Sometimes if you tell the woman them say, no, what the fuck you going at that? Go in the house, go change. You understand? Make your woman have to hide her clothes. You understand? Make your woman have to put her clothes in her shoes, not even her pocketbook, stuff it down in her shoes. And go out and change if that's the case. But remember, when she know that you is just a substitute to our man, our next man shall look. Right, Marie? Our next man shall look. Anytime when a woman dressed like that, I'm gonna give a fuck, you say, but woman can't wear what she want long as I'm with her. You are clone, my youth. What the bumbo clot you don't want a next man to look for your woman for? She can't dress like that as long as she's with me. As long as we're with me, I fucking need that, my youth. Your woman for cover up her have respect cause she have a man now. She don't need to look no other man. She have a man now.
People, when you hear what she saying, I know me say it, so don't blame it on me. So do you agree with what she's saying, whether you're a man or a woman? Let me know what you think of this situation right here and leave a comment in the comment section below. Yeah, this is very important. I want to hear what you think, my viewers and subscribers. So it's a message, so just leave a comment, see? Yeah. Next up, we have the man himself, the artist, we call himself the man himself. You know what I say, people, the man himself. Yeah, Alkaline, where he's asked about the comparison between him and Kartel. People, I need them to watch this and then I'll give my opinion. But you must leave an opinion, Pete, by leaving a comment in the comment section below. Here we go.
Because me don't know.
But I mean, the comparison is being made, and you obviously are aware of it. But you try to keep that. You can't keep that away from Alkaline.
Yeah, man, most definitely, because I don't know, my mission is different. So I say from every other artist, I would say.
Of this opinion that your style is very close to Adidja Palmer, Vybz, Kartel. What was your opinion on that?
I mean, me not really have an opinion because I mean, I not really me. I make that comparison of the people them, but you don't know the people them are the true deciding factors of music, what makes it and what doesn't. So me say, so if them I say that, I mean, me have to just allow them to say what them have to say. So me I say,
But you kind of look like Addy.
No, man. I remember say I'm a dark-skinned guy, you know, so I don't know.
Well, there you have it from the man himself, who call himself the man himself. You know? It's like him, I said, there's no comparison. You know, I say people. But let me know what you think by leaving a comment in the comment section below, people. Do you think this will ever be an ending debate of Vybz Kartel and Alkaline? Alkaline comparing himself to Vybz Kartel? Because this is where the question been asked, and this is a long time interview. So let me know what you think, my people, by leaving a comment in the comment section. Well, people, we know so Vybz Kartel will be laughing. Yeah, laughing all the way to the bank. As right here we can see Nuffy and Joe, them show the stadium layout and how things are going to be in place and thing. So people, make we take a listen to the reasoning.
This is, this is, the stage area.
Right. Production.
These are the pods here on both sides.
Right.
And
where the stage area? Where the stage gonna be?
This is the stage right in the center.
Right.
So this is the grandstands.
Yeah.
This is the bleachers.
Right. These are some of the great plans you did have over the years, since I know you.
This is the best one. Yeah.
Right. Since I know you. What else have to show us? What else have to show us to keep us updated? Fans, you have to see what's going on. This is Joe. I'm in the downtown office. Just putting things together.
This is the plan for all the shuttles and the one-way.
Right.
This is a one-way there.
Right.
And this is all the entrance ways to get into the front. King's House drop-off here, shuttle bus. The staff parking here.
Right.
This is for vendors concessions parking.
Right.
Media parking.
So we have the vendors parking.
Yeah.
We have the center stage parking. We have the center stage parking. Pods parking.
It's part of
media parking.
The ease of getting there is
Staff parking.
Yeah.
But I like how everything well put together.
You see, you can just go looking down like this,
Right. See?
So, this is how you get coordinated, and this is part of the Freedom Street experience.
Right.
It starts from going there from the get-go.
Right.
And hopefully everything will go smooth and people get there on time. Don't be late because, Kartel goes on at 10 o'clock.
Why people must come out early? Why? What's the reason why?
Well, the reason why is, you don't want to get in traffic. It's New Year's Eve. Everyone will be here. All the planes are full.
Right.
So, people are going to get here early if they're smart. And if they don't,
So
he goes on at 10 o'clock sharp.
10 o'clock sharp.
And he goes on whether you're there or not. You don't want to miss out the beginning because
He's going on 10 o'clock sharp. You hear that, people? 10 p.m. sharp.
And he goes on. He's got a great opening. Everything's been worked out. So be there or be square.
Good. Thank you very much. That was a day in the life of Joe for the Freedom Street. The man at the moment.
Next up, we have dancehall Queen Spice showing off our store in Georgia in the US. And this is a good look, trying to tell the artists them, don't put an egg in one basket. Start a business, man, and work on it. And people support the business. See? Let's take a listen.
Hey besties, welcome to my physical location store. I'm going to show you around a little bit so you can get familiar with the pieces. This location is at 6348 Highway 85, Riverdale, Georgia. But I'm going to show you what because you got to get into this baby. We have beautiful, elegant pieces. Yeah, shop on the website www.grassandnoir.com, or you can come visit me, physical location. You can look around. We have so many different colors and pieces and you name it. Grass and Noir has it. Grass and Noir is the store, baby. We have so many different options for you to choose from. We'll have something for your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your niece, your nephew, everybody in your family, my love. From elegant pieces to couture.
Next up, we have veteran dancehall artist Junior Reid. Here giving us a brief tour of his next project that he's working on in Jamaica. And this is a very good look to see enough of the artists them do other things other than just the music and invest their money. So people, make you take a listen what Junior Reid have to say.
Yeah, blessed my people, Junior Reid, same speed, you know. Yeah, keep my people up to date, you know. That's my mission to make them know where we are going with it. Right now, we refurbish the Junior Reid Entertainment Center, which is up here, so, and the Junior Reid One Blood building, yeah. So right now, we just clear all over there, so, and right now we are set up for parking. And over here, so it's parking. All of here, so when we parking, yeah. And right now, we have the Junior Reid Entertainment Center upstairs here, so as you see, yeah. And we also have the Junior Reid Museum working on right now. Junior Reid Museum downstairs. We have the JR Recording Studio, One Blood Studio. You know, we have the gift shop. You can get also a gift here and everything. We have the herb house where we are sell. No, we have the herb house where we're going to have natural herbs. Cinco Bible, sour sap leaf, merengue, Medina, you name it. You understand me? Spirulina, all of them things there. And it's also, just look out for the Junior Reid Deli. Yeah, it's gonna be downstairs, Junior Reid Deli also. So there's a lot of works going on right now at the Junior Reid One Blood building. Yeah, as you know, we are refurbished the entertainment, the GR Entertainment Center. You understand me? And the studio up right now because this song is from out of the studio. Real estate over license plate. To extend your heart. One blood. Modern vampires of the city. Anti-blood. Blood. Yeah, crypto.
Well, people, if you've got to this part of the video, I want to say thank you for watching. As we keep up the good deeds and showing the good deeds where a lot of people are doing, uplifting the community with each project they're doing. So people are going to close it out with these people. Looking at them friend, I give some free food to the homeless. I them think the way I talk about people. Give back to the needy because they needed them needed. You feel me, people? And do remember, people, subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Please give the video a thumbs up. And share this video to more people like yourself so that YouTube can send out the algorithm and everybody can see the video. And with that said, people, we're going to check out in the next video, you know, so just enjoy that video. See me? Thank you.
I don't know if you see this. Oh my God, look at that. People come for them food. It's like them know him.
I see blingers do it, you know? My blingers.
Look here. Everybody I get food. Guys, everybody
this how them can give people a chance in life.
See there? Everybody I get food. Believe.
Why government can't do this? I want place to do this because it's free.
Look. The man and his family in the car, his wife and him.
All the dog get food. All the dog get food.
Everybody. Look. Everybody I get them food. See that? Everybody I get snacks. If you not get snacks, I get fatty and I get juice.
The boss is self going to feed the dog.
Look here.
You don't know some video, you know?
No.
You don't know some video.
See me?
You don't know some video.
This is what you call kindness. I have to tell him 90s.
No,
oh
I'm not something. I'm surprised. You see it on the social media.
This is what you call kindness. Mr. The man drive with him family and I give out food to every one of the homeless people in our trails. Good people still there road. When you believe good people still there road, this is what you call kindness of the heart. This man you not do it for no recognition. This man you do it for the heart because he knows there's a lot of homeless people in the streets.
The man doesn't know something have them right now.
He not even knows something.
It's a different vehicle I drive, he don't know something as a vehicle.
Oh God. And everybody is so grateful. Look. They're grateful 90s.